Hello, children. So, let us start today's English period with a quote by Walt Disney. So, he said, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." So, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So, he believed in actions. Okay, he believed in action. Don't just talk, just start doing. Okay, so we will keep this in mind, and we will move forward with the chapter number 3.2, that is Seven Sisters. So, the last period we completed with two states. Which were they, children? Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. I hope you must have read the chapter. So now we will start with the next state, and it is Meghalaya. Okay, it is Meghalaya. So, what Meghalaya is saying? Hello, friends. I am the abode of clouds, Meghalaya. Hello, friends. I am the abode. Abode means children residence. So, Meghalaya is the residence of clouds. My capital city, Shillong, is called Scotland of the East because of its highlands, fog, and scenery. So, capital city, that is Shillong, it is called Scotland of the East because of its highlands, fog, okay, and scenery. Now, children, fog or mist means a cloud made of very small drops of water in air above the ground that makes difficult to see. You must have experienced fog, right, children? So, it is called the Scotland of the East because of its highlands, fog, and scenery. My people speak English, Khasi, Pnar, and Garo. Okay, these are the languages spoken there. I am overwhelmingly beautiful. Overwhelmingly means, children, very, very beautiful. And everything here is impossibly green and alive. Means it is full of, the Meghalaya state is full of greenery, and it is everything, it is liveliness is there. It is alive. The rolling mist in the valleys. The rolling mist. Mist means, children, fog. In the valleys, the undulating hills. Undulating means the hills which appears to be moving up and down like waves. They are called the undulating hills. Moving up and down means it appears to be moving up and down. Okay, undulating hills. Numerous lakes, waterfalls, caves, uh, sacred forest. Now, sacred means, children, connected with God or some religion. Another word for sacred is holy. For example, we can say Quran is the sacred book of Muslims. Gita is the sacred book of Hindus. Okay, children, that is, now here it is sacred forest, means some it is connected with some god or religion. Okay, it is holy forest. And exotic flora and fauna are fascinating. Exotic flora means some flowers, okay, and means plants. We can say exotic flora and fauna means plants and animals. Okay, plants and animals are fascinating, attractive, that is interesting. Okay, so all these things make Meghalaya, we can say, very attractive, interesting. The rolling mist in the valley, undulating hills, numerous lakes, waterfalls, caves, sacred forests, exotic flora and fauna. Okay, exotic means something unusual, something means we can say what exotic, something unusual, okay, or exciting. That kind of plants and animals are fascinating. Okay, now we will move to next paragraph. Here, zoom or shifting cultivation is practiced even today. Now, what do you mean by zoom or shifting cultivation? Now, children, it is also called slash and burn cultivation. Slash and burn cultivation. So, children, here this is the process of growing crops by first clearing the land of trees and vegetation. First, clearing it, okay, by clearing, and burning them thereafter. First, we have to clear the land by cutting or the trees and vegetation, and then burning them thereafter. So this, now the after burning, the the burnt soil has more nutrients. It is said that the burnt soil, where we have burned these trees and vegetation after cutting them, that soil has more nutrients. So this type of cultivation is practiced even today. Okay. I have lovely mountains with stretches of valley and highland plateaus. The stretches of valleys. Now I will show you the pictures of valley and plateau. Just understand what do you mean by valley. Valley means an elongated depression between hills or mountains, often with river flowing through it. Often river flowing in between these two mountains. Okay, that is the valley. And plateau means a largely leveled expanse of land at high elevation. It is also called tableland. Okay, I will show you the images, it will be more clear to you. The rock formations here contain rich deposits of valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium, and sillimanite. Okay, valuable minerals. Now, minerals means, children, it is a natural substance which are found in the ground. For example, coal, salt, etc., oil, etc. Now here it contains valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium, and sillimanite. I have many rivers. So Meghalaya is saying I have many rivers. So please come to see Cherrapunji, or it is also called Mausinaram. Okay, Mausinaram, another name for Cherrapunji, the wettest places on earth. You can enjoy the forests and sacred groves here. Sacred means again holy, and groves means the group of trees. So you can enjoy the forest and the holy group of trees here. Okay. Okay, now we will move to last paragraph. I boast of several national parks and wildlife sanctuary. Sorry, children, excuse me. I boast of several national parks and wildlife sanctuary. Okay, means I am. There are many several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, and I am proud of it. Okay, friends, you would be amazed to see the Krem Liat Pra, which is the longest cave. Which is the longest cave? Krem Liat Pra, which is the longest cave, and Sairang Pamiang, which is the deepest cave. You can enjoy the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. Now, panoramic means, children, a view of wide area of land. That is the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. Do come to this Pine Fresh Mountain state during the Vangala festival in autumn. So, Meghalaya people, they celebrate Vangala festival in which season? Autumn. Okay, so this is all about Meghalaya. So, I have got some good pictures for you. Let us go through them. See the beautiful Meghalaya. Okay, green and alive Meghalaya. Meghalaya, the Scotland of the East. Okay, it is called Scotland of Shillong is called Scotland of East because of its highland, fog, and scenery. This is some images of Vangala festival. And this is the longest cave, Krem Liat Pra. The deepest cave, Sairang Pamiang. So here is the sacred forest and groves. See the group of trees there, children? Now this is Cherrapunji, the wettest place on planet Earth, Cherrapunji, on planet Earth. Okay. Next is again one more image I got of Meghalaya. Next is panoramic view of Bangladesh. Okay, wide area. We can view a wide area of land. Now see, this is the valley. These stretches of valley. Can you see the valley here? Between two mountains, you can see the river flowing. Okay, that is the valley. Next is plateau. See the tabletop. And this is the pine tree. Children, so this is all about Meghalaya. Okay, so the next video we will see about next state, which is that it is Manipur. Okay.